Hi everyone, this is Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we will discuss the sequences of adverb. When three adverbs come together, how gonna you are the first one, like adverb of manner, place and time, we have already discussed, and we have already discussed that they are known as E, O and P. Stands for extension of predicate. When these three adverbs come together, how you are going to put them in a sequence. So let's begin the sequences of adverb. Number one, when adverb of place and adverb of time is used in a sentence, the sequence will be like this. You are going to bring the adverb of place first and then adverb of time second. Like he came here yesterday. Here is your adverb of place and yesterday is your adverb of time, which adds something in the meaning of verb, predicate, and tells us the gives extra information about predicate, extension of predicate. So here comes first and then yesterday. They went to Karachi last month. They went. Where did they go? To Karachi. And when? Last month. So first you are going to put adverb of place and then adverb of time. Sequence number two, when there are three adverbs, adverb of manner, place and time. So you are going to bring adverb of manner first, place at the second, and time at the end. Like I say, he teaches fast in class every day. Fast is adverb of manner, class is adverb of place, and every day is adverb of time. Three adverbs are coming together. So you are going to bring a manner first, place second, and time at the end. She cooked food nicely in kitchen yesterday. Nicely is manner, kitchen is place, and yesterday is time. So you are going to bring manner first, place second, and time third. Number three, with the traveling verbs, the sequence of adverbs changes. When verb like went and jumped, traveling verbs we have already discussed. If you have not understood, you can go with the kinds of verb where I've taught the traveling verbs. Now over here we will discuss the first example. She went to Karachi happily yesterday. See, now here place will come first, then manner, and then time. What are the traveling verbs? Go, come, walk, run, jump. The same way, swim, creep are your traveling verbs, where movement of hands and legs and body directly. In the same way, second example, she jumped from a wall nicely tonight. Here, wall is adverb of place, nicely is manner, and night is time. So traveling verbs, you are going to change the sequence. In other verbs, we bring manner first, place, then time, but here place comes first, then manner, and then time. Time is always at the end of it. So hope the sequences of adverb are clear to you. If you have liked the video, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. See you next time. Goodbye.